What's up, y'all? Chef Nick here. Breathtaking Soul cooking tips. Storing some green onions. Yep. And parsley to keep it fresh. We're going to store these in the fridge. I'm going to show you the parsley first. How we going to do this? This is my first time trying this technique. So I'll update y'all on how it came out. Keep reminding me. Stay on my back. So put the parsley in the container with the water. So it's about, let me slow down. A little water at the bottom just to cover the ends of it. Dehydrate it, keep it alive. Fresh for you. Fluff it up. You know, it was all stuck together, so now it can breathe. See, you got some longer pieces and stuff in there, so fluff it up. You know how it be in the package. So we're gonna try this technique for the parsley, y'all. Store it in there. See, flopping over and everything. Good for you. And we're gonna take the bag that it came in, and we're just gonna tin it, make it like a greenhouse for it, and nice little comfortable environment. And this is gonna go in the fridge, so we can just cut fresh parsley off when we cooking and we need it. So when you cooking, we can just bring this out, sit it on the countertop, and bam, you got your parsley. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. That leaf down in there, y'all. Alright, the stem. Just want the stems in there. Y'all see it? So, yeah. Look how beautiful that is, y'all. Chef Nick. How to store parsley. And we about to do the green onions, y'all. Alright. So, that tip back on there. Hit that subscribe, like, comment button. Alright. And I was going to originally do my original method. That's why you see this paper towel. It's really not here to keep this surface clean, countertop clean. Because my original way of doing it was to damp the paper towel, then wrap it like I showed y'all in the previous video. I'll find it and put the link in the comment or in the description. Just remind me, stay on my back. Y'all know how Chef Nick is. Yeah, but green onions. Now I watched some videos and they said move them, clean them up. Okay, that's not too bad. So I got these from Gold Puzzle. Excellent quality, not too bad. Excellent, organic too. You want to get any like, you see like right here. You know, see that any little partial torn leaves or whatever, just take it off. If you don't want nothing to take a chance and rot and spoil the bunch, put that to the side. That's ready to be washed. I said wash it, dry it, then store it. So I ain't gonna lie, I got some dishes in the sink, so I'm not gonna show y'all the washing part, so y'all gonna hear water. I ain't gonna lie. It's 12:04 a.m. and I'm filming live. Not live, but I'm filming. Chef Nick, y'all, fall season. Breathtaking Soul. If you know, you know. Cooking tips, storage tips, home and garden. You know what's up. It's Chef Nick, y'all. I'm geeking. Don't forget me. Alright, so you don't want to pour none of the leaves, the roots off. Keep the roots. So I'm just getting off any like partially torn layers, because I don't want nothing to rot in the water while it's being stored. Now I've seen some videos where they replant, they took the roots and cut them and put them in water so they can regrow and put them in windowsill, but I ain't trusting that right now. So I just want to store them. It's 12:05 and I gotta be at the Fort Time tomorrow. So I'm just getting caught up on filming for the fall season. So, yep. So, make it happen. Put in the time, the work. Eventually, you'll get there. You know, pursue your dreams. Don't give up. Don't give up. Alright, so I'm actually going to try not washing these because I don't want them to be damp going into the fridge. So I'm going to try not washing them. But let me give them a wrench. Let me follow the instructions, y'all. Wrench. So get them roots wet, get them activated a little bit. Alright, so make sure we ain't got too much water. We only want a little bit. So I think that's a little too much, y'all. So let me. And the water can be of your choice, whatever type of water you want to use. Yeah. So this for the roots. Can connect. Get them all beautiful looking. And get y'all this view. Yeah, so we're gonna try this storage method in the fridge for our green onions, y'all. Chef Nick, y'all, fall season. Breathtaking Soul TV. If you know, you know. Ha ha! You know it. You know what's up. Yeah, check out your boy. Yeah, we trying to make it happen. Oh, I see one I miss. I see one I miss, y'all. Perfection. It's not achievable, but it's always the goal. Only thing's perfect is the man up high. But whatever your view says, your view says. You think it's perfect, then guess what? It's perfect. Do what make you happy, folks. Feel how you want to feel. Live how you want to live. Be happy in your life. Don't let nobody stop you from being happy in your life. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do, when you want to do it, how you want to do it. But be respectful. Have some loyalty, some honor to you. You know, take care of people, treat people right. But do what you want to do. Alright, so this the bag that it came in. We're going to create another little tent like we did our parsley. So, kind of recycling them a little bit too. Use what you got. Use what you got. That bad boy like that. Now you create like a greenhouse effect. Don't tie it. Let it breathe. Don't tie it. Alright, so I'm going to take them. See that? Our green onions. I think I'm going to store it by the water. Alright, green onions go right there. And we got the parsley. But I think I can put this on the door. Nope. Nope, right here. Yep. Chef Nick, y'all, Breathtaking Soul. Yep. Subscribe. Y'all know what's up. Hit that subscribe button. Chef Nick, Breathtaking Soul. Show me some love. Watch all the videos. Watch everything we got out. Please enjoy yourself. Please support. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Chef Nick, 11 a.m. Grinding out. Fall season. Breathtaking Soul TV. Let's get it.